Hi there, we're back out again on this lovely river. This time we're going downstream. We went upstream the last time. We found pottery remnants and shards and interesting things, and it was a beautiful walk, it really was. I'm going to go actually in the river again this time. We did that the last time, we just did it on the second half of it, but this time I'm going to start off in the river, I think. I'll get you an update on that. But it was a brilliant hunt the last time. I was glad to see that some of you knew what that torpedo shaped thing was. It was actually a shuttlecock for a loom, for in a weaving loom.
Now the shuttle containing the weft in the pern. Here's a new pern being placed in the shuttle. It's a busy machine and often a noisy one.
So well done you guys. Hopefully we'll find stuff like that today. I'm seeing lots in the river, seeing something nice over there. Right, and I'm sure we're going to find very similar things, maybe even more interesting. I've found some wee bits already, so I'll show you them. Here's the first little bits that I found. Just like little bits of bottles, and that's a nice piece of ceramic. It's got a nice wee flower on it. Hopefully we'll find some really good stuff. That glass is so thick, and some china bits. That's mushrooms that's in there. Wow, I can't get too close in to the water, but you can see those mushrooms in there. Taking a few pictures. The water is Baltic, really cold. We'll walk down the river anyway, see what we can find. There is bits in there, as I say. I don't know what they are. I found loads over here. Again, just put them in a wee pile. Nothing much, but interesting. So we'll go and keep walking down. There's slate and everything in here, so we'll keep walking. I'm sure there's actually fish jumping out of there. And as I was walking over, I noticed other things. And I think we have our first bottle. Might not be fantastic, but it's our first one. Let's go and see. There's a bottle. Essence of coffee and chicory, and it's broken. But we have a bottle. I can see something else. Look at that wee wash. T.H. Smith. It's not one I know. Oh, the stopper's on the top of it. That's why. Yeah, that's quite stuck in there. T.H. Smith. Edinburgh and London. Interesting. Alright. Well, at least we're getting something this time. Beautiful. Coffee, essence of coffee with chicory. I'll leave it there for now. I saw something over here. There it is there. That's weird how we got this almost immediately, and that's a lid off or something. Definite lid. So we're getting into better territory. There's another piece. Looks like a bit of a ginger beer. Yeah, possibly a ginger beer. Top lip. Right. Let's keep walking. I'll do these bits in situ. I found a couple of wee bits over in that banking. Just bits of china, but I did find one interesting thing. Well, two, I suppose. I'll let you see them. There we go, that's a big ceramic insulator. And I'll come back for that probably. And some bits of china. This is a bit of clay pipe. Don't know what it would be used for, but it's definitely a bit of clay pipe. So we'll carry on down. Got loads of river to go. Loads of river. Really nice here. There's not a lot of sunshine, unfortunately. But we can't have everything. I saw something in the bank somewhere, which we'll go and have a wee look at. It's quite crazy in here. There's another bit of china. A wee beastie on it. There is plenty. I'm actually walking the wrong way. I should be walking up the stream. But there's a nice wee foundation there as well, or some kind of wall or something. Yeah, I think it was an egg in the banking. Or is it ye old golf ball? It is. It's the famous or infamous golf ball that we always find everywhere we go. Alright, let's get back to it. Back in the river. I'm not seeing much else in that bank. Right, I'm going down the river. There's quite a fast flow down there. I just saw a little stoat run across there and went up that branch. They are so cute looking, but they are one of the most predatory animals you'll find in nature. The stoat is about 15 to 17 centimetres long and has been known to take out a fully grown hare or rabbit. They're so cute, but don't let them fool you. These are one of the most predatory little animals you will find in nature. There's a bridge just up ahead, so we're going to head towards that bridge. Nice weather. We're seeing a bit of wildlife. Can't complain really. Okay, let's go over here. Piece of the railway. It's like a natural sluice underneath this wee bridge. It's quite beautiful. As long as you don't show the pipe it is anyway. Quite a beautiful place. Let's go through the tunnel of the bridge. And it's all cobbled. Oh, that's nice. Can you see it? It's actually cobbled under the bridge. Nearly fell. A bit of steel. off of something. Wow, that's heavy. Oh, that's the railway. That is a bit of the railway line. Let me get it. Yeah, that's a bit of the railway line indeed. Wow. Oh, am I getting into a deep bit? Oh dear. Right, I'll go round the other side. It's too deep there. But that's what that is. A piece of the railway. Nice paperweight. No. Well, the only thing that would get caught in this, the ripple of water. Yeah, it's quite nice here. But I think I've went into private grounds, so I shall have to turn back. Beautiful little railway bridge behind me, and yeah, beautiful rocks at this side as well. Really nice. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Alright, let's go. We'll head back. Do something. Alright, see you in a bit. Nice. We were here the last time, but we never went in the water. And there was loads of wee fishes, but I've scared them all away. Right, I think I'll go in the water. It's quite lovely. I hope that you can hear me for the water. And oh, the water's just crystal clear. There's little trout or something in here. It's just beautiful, beautiful. And there's bits of ceramics. Let's have a wee look at this one. It looks blue. I need to watch my other camera because I've got it round my neck. Yeah, nice bit of blue. This is what the exploring's about. It's about trying to find these things. I should have brought a litter picker with me next time, definitely. Not seeing anybody else. I want that little bit there, so we'll try and get that without getting too wet. There we go. Again, there's nothing on these things, but it's just nice being in here, having a look. Definitely nice having a look. And there's wee fishes. Don't see any of them now, but I keep chasing them up the river. Alright, let's have a look on the side. Is that a bottle? Could it be? Maybe not. No. Got a wet sleeve. Right, let's go further up. Can't win them all. Got a sharpening stone, some bits of glass, bits of pottery. That's the only kind of embossed bit. Don't know what that would be. Lithgow maybe, I don't know. There's definitely a source. There's definitely some somewhere. It's lying at my feet everywhere I look, but I can't find the source. One day, maybe, I'm going to walk on down the next part of the river and come out. There's a wee bridge over there somewhere. I'm going to come out over there and go and get some lunch. Finally, I might have something worth actually talking about. Is that a marble I see in there? Yeah, kind of is a marble, but it's not. I think it's a handle off a teapot or something. Little bits, as usual, all over the place. I'm not finding anything. Not finding anything worth keeping. Apart from that transformer, which is a million miles down that way. Look at it, bits everywhere. And not a bit to keep. Oh well, what can you do? Not a lot. Don't know where the source is. Nothing. There we go, last bits. For now, I'm going to go down that way and get some lunch. It's just stunning in that river. Look. Hopefully you can see that. And you can see things just lying in there. And the sun. This is where I dropped my phone in. It's just amazing. Amazing. I can't see anything else. Fishes. Fishes is all I saw. So I'm going to go down this way for another little bit, and then that'll be me, I think. We'll be finished at that. I'll be back at the car. I was up there having a look down in the bank, and then I saw this. I don't know if you can see that railway track right there. So now we know what gauge the railway track was. Quite a light gauge by the looks of it. So I'm quite pleased at that, to get down and have a wee look at what remains of it. So I don't know which, this was obviously a junction, because it's joined both ways anyway. But when I came down, apart from the bricks and bits and bobs, I found this. There's like discs in the water as well, these discs, which I'll investigate. And there's something over there. Hopefully it's one of these. Look at that. I don't know where that's from. Anybody's got any idea? Let me know in the comments, because I really don't know. I'm going to leave it here for the moment and get my stick, and I want to investigate. There's something in there that might just be something. Then again, it might not. There's lots of maybe somethings. There's a screwdriver. Right, we'll leave that next to that, and we'll go in here. Oh, I wish that was, but it's not. Quite deep, mind you. Yeah, bit of aluminium. God, I want a barrel. Get me a barrel. A big bit of aluminium too. So why am I not finding any bottles? That's what I don't get. Right, what's these disky things? stone discs. Who knows? Are they sharpening stones or something? I really don't know. That's a mystery. Just saw something there. Just a branch. I want the barrel. Give me a barrel. Bits again. These bits of stuff. Quite fast here. Might have a step in a bottle, I'll know about it. Especially a step in a broken one. Come on, give me a barrel. It's all just plain pottery. Pottery, pottery. Whoa. Nearly fell on my bum. Oh, there's one of them. Remember? Ouch, from the other day. Probably hundreds. Oh, that's a nice one. Shall we take it? That's all we're getting today. That's all that I can see. Not a single bottom. Well, we did get one. It wasn't whole, unfortunately. That's a bit of the railway line, I think. Maybe. Yep, just angle line. Not a thing. Oh well. A good try. Yeah, I thought that was one. But it's not. Right. Let's head back. A bit of the railway line used to reinforce a bridge. I thought I might have hit something. It's not to be. A wee cave in here. God, would you believe a bit of blue glass as well? at that. Hiding in here. It's probably where the old mill race was turning away. Quite amazing that there's now in here. Oh well. Not one bottle. Let's get back in the water. Jaggy little thorny thing, that. Okay, I'm looking, and I'm seeing this, which looks like a blade of a knife. Probably is. Yeah, probably a blade of a knife. But over there, can you see that? I noticed that little thing. That knife over there, and get this, whatever it may be. Wow. Right, well, that's unusual. That's a light fitting of some kind. I thought it was pewter for a minute, but it's actually copper, I think. Oh, we'll keep that. It's quite gorgeous. My camera strap's getting in the road. There's a few wee bits lying in here. Got the glass down there. I'm getting wet again. Thick glass. Wow. Alright, we'll better have a wee look around here. I'm soaking wet now. There's another bit. You see, there's loads of this kicking about, but none of it wants to be good for me. Wow. It's just crazy bit of glass, that. Right, I'll walk up a wee bit. Put this candle sticky thing in my pocket. Try not to trip over. Oh, I wish I'd see a bottle in. A bottle in. Would be lovely. Turning my wee screen. Look! The relics in the bottom of the river. Ouch! Tell you, I'm wearing thicker shoes the next time. These ones just ain't doing what they should be. Ouch! Tell you, if I stand in a bit of glass, I'm in the deep doo-doo. Right, let's get up here. Sun is right in the eyes now. And the fish. There's so much fish in here. Running around. Little fishes. set some little bits up here aside for you, and that's us going to go home after this. I think we've got stuff here, but where it is I don't know. No, this is what we're after. Look at that, good ceramics, good thick glass, really thick glass. Don't know what that one's got on the bottom, nothing, 3 dots, but that's a really old neck, plied, that's an old bottle, so it's here, it's in there somewhere, we just can't get it. You're not going to believe this. I'm walking along the river behind me, and I came past in a different way. As I've always said, you walk one way and then you go up the other way and you see everything in a different way. And I looked over here, where you see what I see in here. This is amazing. My stick's to the right of it, and between the tree and my stick you'll see it. I've not looked at it, but it is something. Unfortunately, I can see already that the neck's broken, but that is one gay old bottle. Lady Bank, Dunfermline. I don't know where that's from. Anybody's got any idea? Let me know in the comments, because I really don't know. I'm going to leave it. Okay. We'll have a wee look up here first before I do anything. Because if there's one, and a bit of one, there could be others. Or not. Oh my god. Spooky tunnel. Wow. Oh god, slidey. Right, I'm not going in there. Not at the moment anyway. Plus it's through the nettles here. I want to investigate stuff around here. Right, let me go back up here to the slidey bit. Ow, jaggy nettles. And I've got wee short shoes on. Right. Well, that's one bottle thing. There's another bottle thing. I'm getting caught up in the tree. Let me see what this is. I don't think it's whole. Oocha. It's actually broken. Right, I'll need to get something to dig that out. So this embankment might be quite nice. Right, let me get that dug out. So I dug that one out, and it turns out it's Glasgow fruit. You can't really see it because it's manky inside. Glasgow fruit, so it would be a preserved jar, I would imagine. Never seen it before. So that was in that banking as well. And this one, I cleaned that up. Get you in the light with it. And that's R. Douglas, Kirkcaldy, Ladybank, Dunfermline. So yeah, we did find another one. and a bit of a milk bottle. So there's a few bits. So I'm going to leave you there, and I'll see you the next time. Yeah, I'm going to leave you there, and I'll be back in the river, I think, for a wee bit, just to check out what's going on, so I can get across to the other side as well. So I'll see you in the river. Right, I'm going home, people. Well, I'm not going home, I'm going back to my vehicle to have some lunch, dinnery type thing. I'll see you again. Thanks very much for coming on this little hunt. Again, not super much found, but quite exciting, quite interesting. I love going in the rivers. We'll see if we can do it again. Take care. Remember to subscribe over here. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below, especially if you want me to do some of the more naturey things. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye for now.